Good day guys, welcome to Offroad for Life. So guys, I'm back in the kitchen. So this is where I am at the moment. I'll give you a brief rundown as to what has happened here. So it's mince and potatoes guys. It's a rainy day in Durban. So we put in a bit of oil in the pot, a little bit of onions, and I use a stein anise, 3 cloves, 2 cardamoms, a cinnamon stick, and a bay leaf guys. Let that cook for a while. We put in some tomatoes. We let that cook for a little while, and then we put in some spices, and this is what we've done: 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of dhania powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 heapfuls of chili powder guys. So you want it a little stronger, add a little more chilies. You want it a bit more milder, cut down on the chili powder. So we'll let that braise for a few minutes, and then we put in our potatoes. Left that for about 4 or 5 minutes, and then we put in our mince. So guys, this is beef mince. We choose beef mince and not mutton because of the fat content. So guys, this is where it is at the moment guys. Mince and potatoes. So we're going to have this with a bit of rice. So this is busy cooking away. So guys, whilst that's cooking, I knocked up a quick salad, just some tomatoes, some onions. You can add chilies if you want to. I did not. A little bit of salt guys. So that's going to be my salad for this afternoon. So it's going to be mince and potato curry with rice and a little bit of tomato salad. Sorry guys, I forgot to mention a teaspoon of ginger and garlic. So you always add ginger and garlic to your curries. So there you go guys. It's almost done. Another 5 minutes or so. That's my salad guys. There you go guys, that's done. So a little bit of coriander on top. Your curry is done guys.